Welcome to Australia. So you can speak 7 languages.
Oh, yeah.
What are the 7 languages you can speak?
Russian,
Yeah.
English, Arabic, Italian, Spanish, German, Chinese.
Oh yeah, she's amazing. You can speak all those and sign language. Okay, let's go, Bella. So grab that trolley. Okay, I've drawn up a shopping list. So, see here, I want you to go around the world for me and order these grocery items.
4 eggs, German sausages.
Away you go.
Hallo, was möchten Sie heute?
4 deutsche Würstchen, bitte.
Okay, für was benutzen Sie die Würstchen?
Für etwas.
Very good.
Hier sind Ihre Würstchen.
Dankeschön.
Oh, she's going to do a runner without paying. That's all right. She can do that. Over to Egypt now. I want 2 falafels.
شو بدك؟
أريد كوسين فلافل.
She's going to do the tap and go.
شكرا.
شكرا.
Well done, Bella. Head over to Spain. Grab me 10 Spanish oranges, Bella. There you
Hola,
go.
¿cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Qué quieres? 10 naranjas. 10. Aquí. 1, 2, 9, 10. Que tienes un buen día. Adiós. Adiós.
Well, she's heading over to England. I'll grab 1 bowl of English strawberries and a jug of cream.
What would you like?
Strawberry and a jug of cream.
Alright, you can keep the bowl.
Oopsie daisy.
Well done, Bella.
你好，
你好。
今天你想要点什么呢？
3个猪肉包。
来，稍等。好嘞，
谢谢你。
不客气。
Now head over to Russia. Get me some potatoes, mate.
Мне надо 3 большущие картошки. Спасибо.
Well done. Yeah.
What exactly is coding?
Well, like we speak English and that's how we can talk together. Well, coding is the same. It's how you talk to the computer.
Really?
Yes.
How did you learn how to code?
Well, when I was 5, I loved to play video games. And my mom said the Wii broke. And so I was really mad. And she said, this is not the end. You can make your own video games using code, and you can play them. And that's when I started learning to code.
How did you even know what coding was, though?
I used YouTube videos to teach me how to code, and when I got stuck, my mom helped me.
Really?
Yes.
Well, okay, show us what you invented.
This is Storybot. I invented it. It's a 3D board game to teach code.
So, come here, let me tell you something. You know what I like about you?
What?
You're just a really, really nice kid. You're very, very mannerable, which means you have some great parents, and you're super smart. So when you get older, and are you planning on making a lot of money?
Yes.
Very good. I want you to just call me Uncle Steve and let Uncle Steve invest in you. Invest means I put some money behind you and then you invent something and then we make a lot of money on it and you give me the money that I gave you back plus something. How much you think you should give me back? If I gave you $10,000, how much should you give me?
100,000.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Jesus. This is him. Folks, this is actually, a lot of you are going to be surprised at this, but This is actually a relative of mine. And we're going to make a lot of money together. Thank you so much. Very good, man. Great parents. Thank you very much. Folks, we'll be right back.